Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie Marquis, and today we're going to talk about a serious and somewhat alarming situation. What happens if Child Protective Services, or CPS, cannot locate a child named in a report? This topic is crucial for parents, guardians, and anyone involved in the welfare of children. Let's dive into this scenario with a detailed example to better understand the process and implications. Imagine a concerned neighbor reports to CPS that they suspect a child named Emily, who lives next door, is being abused. The report is taken seriously, as all reports are, and CPS initiates an investigation. But when they go to Emily's house, they can't find her. What happens next? First, let's discuss the initial steps CPS takes when they cannot locate a child. CPS has a strict protocol for these situations. They will start by attempting to contact the child's parents or guardians directly. This includes phone calls, home visits, and checking with schools or daycare centers. If these efforts fail, CPS will escalate the matter. In Texas, when CPS can't locate a child, the situation becomes critical. The agency may seek the assistance of law enforcement to find the child. They could issue a court order requiring the parents or guardians to produce the child.